Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to Top 10 USA, your go-to channel for discovering the most incredible places across the United States. Whether you're planning your next vacation or just love exploring new destinations, we've got you covered. From the bustling streets of iconic cities to the serene landscapes of national parks, and everything in between, we'll guide you through the top must-see spots, hidden gems, and unforgettable experiences that make America truly spectacular. Each week, we'll take you on a journey through a different part of the country, showcasing the top 10 destinations you absolutely cannot miss. We'll provide insider tips, fun facts, and all the information you need to make the most of your travels. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, a foodie, or just looking for some travel inspiration, there's something here for everyone. So, if you're ready to explore the USA like never before, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of our exciting adventures and travel guides. Let's get started on this incredible journey together. Exploring Tampa, Florida. Tampa, located on Florida's Gulf Coast, is a city that offers a rich blend of cultural attractions, vibrant nightlife, and scenic waterfront views. Known for its historic neighborhoods, world-class museums, and diverse dining options, Tampa provides an array of activities and experiences that cater to all interests. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or a foodie, Tampa has something special in store for you. Ybor City. Start your Tampa adventure with a visit to Ybor City, a historic neighborhood founded in the 1880s by cigar manufacturers. This vibrant district is renowned for its colorful history, unique architecture, and lively nightlife. During the day, explore the many boutiques, art galleries, and cafes that line the streets. Don't miss the Ybor City Museum State Park, where you can learn about the area's rich cultural heritage and the cigar industry that shaped it. As evening falls, Ybor City transforms into a hotspot, with numerous bars, clubs, and restaurants offering live music and dancing. Tampa Riverwalk. Next, head to the Tampa Riverwalk, a scenic 26-mile pedestrian path that winds along the Hillsborough River. The Riverwalk connects some of Tampa's most popular attractions, making it a great way to explore the city on foot. Enjoy a leisurely stroll or rent a bike to take in the sights, including parks, public art installations, and waterfront views. Along the way, you'll find plenty of dining options, from casual cafes to upscale restaurants, where you can enjoy a meal with a view. The Florida Aquarium. A must-visit for families and marine life enthusiasts is the Florida Aquarium, located in downtown Tampa. This expansive aquarium features a wide variety of exhibits, showcasing marine life from Florida and beyond. Highlights include the Wetlands Trail, where you can see alligators and otters, and the Coral Reef, a massive tank filled with colorful fish, sharks, and sea turtles. The aquarium also offers interactive experiences, such as touch tanks and behind-the-scenes tours, making it an engaging and educational destination. Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. For thrill seekers, Busch Gardens Tampa Bay is an essential stop. This African-themed amusement park combines world-class roller coasters and rides with an impressive zoo. Experience the adrenaline rush of coasters like Shakra and Tigris, or take a more relaxed pace on the Serengeti Express train, which offers a scenic tour of the park's animal habitats. With live shows, dining options, and attractions for all ages, Busch Gardens provides a full day of excitement and entertainment. Tampa Museum of Art. Art aficionados should not miss the Tampa Museum of Art, which houses an impressive collection of modern and contemporary art, as well as ancient artifacts. The museum's sleek, modern building is a work of art in itself, set against the backdrop of the Hillsborough River. Inside, you'll find rotating exhibitions and a permanent collection that includes works by renowned artists. The museum also hosts events, workshops, and educational programs, offering visitors a chance to engage with the local art community. Zoo Tampa at Lowry Park. Another family-friendly attraction is Zoo Tampa at Lowry Park, a beautifully landscaped zoo that is home to a diverse array of animals from around the world. The zoo is organized into themed areas, such as the Asian Gardens, African Savanna, and Wallaroo Station, an interactive area designed for children. Zoo Tampa also focuses on conservation efforts and provides educational programs to promote awareness of wildlife and their habitats. Don't miss the opportunity to feed a giraffe or cool off in the splash pad area on a hot day. Historic Hyde Park. For a taste of Tampa's historic charm, visit Hyde Park, a picturesque neighborhood known for its beautiful bungalows, tree-lined streets, and upscale shopping and dining options. Stroll through Hyde Park Village, an open-air shopping district with a mix of high-end retailers, local boutiques, and trendy eateries. The area also hosts regular events, such as farmers markets and art festivals, making it a lively and engaging place to explore. Dining in Tampa. No exploration of Tampa is complete without sampling its diverse culinary scene. The city offers a wide range of dining options, from casual seafood shacks to fine dining establishments. Be sure to try some local favorites, such as Cuban sandwiches, fresh grouper, and the famous devil crabs. Ybor City is known for its Latin cuisine, while downtown and the waterfront areas boast a variety of international restaurants. For a unique dining experience, consider taking a dinner cruise on Tampa Bay, where you can enjoy a meal while taking in the sunset views. Thank you so much for joining us on Top 10 USA. We hope you enjoyed this episode and found plenty of inspiration for your next adventure. Remember, the United States is full of amazing places just waiting to be discovered, and we're here to help you find them. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might also be looking for travel ideas. We'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment below with your favorite destinations or any places you think we should feature next. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. We have plenty more exciting travel guides and top 10 lists coming your way. Until next time, happy travels, and we can't wait to explore more of the USA with you.